There's a difference between being healthy and being fit.
As far as I understand it, you're a physical trainer, yeah?
Yep, I'm a personal trainer. Got about 12 clients I'm training right now.
Hmm.
I'm trying to tell them about the breathing, but doing my own thing at this time.
Hmm. What have you noticed about your own performance and stamina since starting this?
Before my Buteyko practice with you guys, whenever I would work out, yeah, I'm a personal trainer. Yes, I know certain exercises to do for fitness goals. After I would work out, I would feel relatively exhausted. Exercise yields more energy if you do it right, do it with the correct breathing. One realization I've had in doing Buteyko is there's a difference between being healthy and being fit. I go to the gym and there's these guys walking around looking all strong. But if you have those same guys try to pick up a washing machine, they're gonna fail. They're not really strong, they're not really strong, but they look like it.
Hmm.
And what I've come to understand through physical exercise and Buteyko that there's a difference. Like if you're healthy and you have a high control pause, then you're fit. But if you're fit, it doesn't necessarily mean you have great health. You even shared with me, I knew this before you shared it with me, but you confirmed it, that there's been many people in the health athletes, health profession that are dropping dead, coming up with all these different health issues.
Lots of injuries.
Yeah, yeah. And there's just a difference. And it comes down to CO2 deficiency, from what I've come to understand.
Mm.
And it's unfortunate. It's very urgent to get this breathing practice out to people, what I'm going to do, because from one who's had 4 surgeries playing football, one who's had my own set of health issues at my age, and how I feel now in the body and just how I'm able to move now. It's very urgent for me to let people know about this who are going through the same thing around my age.
Mm.
But as far as like my physical exercise right now, I just came from the gym before this, and I'm just so surprised by how I'm able to push more weight. I'm not trying to be arrogant, but I just feel like a beast in the gym. Like it's like just throw anything on there, like I'm just lifting more weight now than I ever have, despite my surgeries to my shoulders several years ago. But I haven't lifted this much weight since. I know you told me to calm down on the exercise a bit, but come on, I have to go to the gym. Sorry, but I haven't been conditioning or doing too much running lately until I do the intermediate course. I can't wait till March when I do the intermediate course with Vladimir, so I can know how to breathe and move at the same time.
Mm.
I'm trying to understand that concept, but as far as exercise, like I feel dominant. I, and then I have these flag football games out on the field. That's when I get the most of my running in, is during that. And I don't get tired. Simply put, I just don't get tired. But how football works, it's like 10 seconds per play max. So a lot of anaerobic activity, and then 30-second rest, 10-second play. And I used to get really winded, but now I'm just flying around all over the place. Like my head's on fire because I don't get tired. It's like, why not, right? I'm not tired. I'm going to fly around. I don't need to take a break. It's really cool. It's really cool, Marta. There's so much that could be said about what I've come to understand with this breathing practice, physically, mentally. But even though I'm 2 months in, I feel like I have long ways to go. But I'm so excited for every day, like knowing that I have this tool to use. Not only is it like a first aid kit, but it's like a boost. Okay, before my workout, not pre-workout anymore, but Buteyko. Post-workout, not recovery drink, Buteyko. It's awesome. Buteyko's is amazing. It's very urgent to get this breathing practice out to people